Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. This is your girl Akpede. Today I'm making spaghetti jollof. So this is the ingredient I'll be using. So I have my water boiling on fire. I'll tap my spaghetti and then it will open. Then I'll put it inside the water. I like it long like this. I'll just use my hand to push it inside and cover it for a minute later. Then I come back. Stirring it to make sure everything has removed one. I'll cover it again. Then I'm coming to check it if it has cooked. Yes, it's ready. So I'm going to save it and use some cold water to wash it. I'm doing this so that it will not stuck together if it's cold. So I grab my pot, I added some oil inside. So I'm starting frying my chicken. So for this recipe I'm using chicken breast. So this my tomatoes, I cut it. I'm going to blend it. At this point my chicken too is ready. I'll just transfer it on my plate and start making the sauce. So I'll add some oil inside my pot and start frying my chopped onion. I'll fry this like 5 seconds before adding my seasoning. So this seasoning is onion, garlic, ginger and pepper. I do it plenty. I put it inside the freezer. Anytime I need some, then I take it. So this one is frozen. Then I put it inside, cover it for a minute. Now everything is melt. So now it's melt. I'll just go ahead and add my fresh tomatoes. I'm using a lot of fresh tomatoes. Then I'll wash the blender inside and add it to the sauce. Then I'll mix it very well and cover it about 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, this how it look like. Then I'll start seasoning my sauce. So I'm using 1 Maggi, chili pepper, paprika, complete seasoning, fish powder, and shrimp powder, masala seasoning, then I'll mix everything together very well. Then I'll cover it to cook like 10 minutes again. 10 minutes later, let me taste it and see if it's good. Yes, it's very good. So I'll add my chicken and mix everything together very well. Now it's time for spaghetti to go in. So I'll just add my spaghetti and mix it with the sauce. So tell me, how do you prepare your spaghetti jollof? Do you like it spicy or mild? How do you like it? Do you do your spaghetti with chicken or goat meat or cow meat? I want to know, so let me know at the comment section. So I add some green onion Then I'll mix it with the spaghetti very well. Voila, it's ready. So I'll be using garlic bread to eat this spaghetti. So I added some butter inside the fry pan. Then I'll use the bread to take it from the fry pan for the butter to go inside the bread very well. I do it at the both sides. Then I'll add my garlic powder at the top of the bread. This garlic salt is garlic and salt mix. Then I'll add it, then turn it and repeat the same process. Now my garlic bread is ready to eat my spaghetti. What do you use to eat your spaghetti jollof? Let me know at the comment section. Voila! Guys, are you loving what you are seeing? If yes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share the video, give your girl a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.